Okay guys, so I just finished exercising and I'm gonna have a quick snack, not too much, but because of my workout I need to have a little bit of protein. So we're gonna get back downstairs, we're gonna cook some steak. Let's go downstairs, guys. I was gonna go swimming, but honestly, I'm too tired, guys. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the kitchen. As I mentioned, we're gonna have some protein. So this is what we have. Okay, it's right here, guys. This is the protein that I was telling you about. I ordered some steak. I mean, it is pretty big, but, and by the way, a lot of you have told me that, wait, like you don't put seasoning on it, how are you cooking it like this? Believe me, like, so this is Australian beef steak. Now, when the way I do it is I just put olive oil. It already tastes like really nice, and I just have, I have a bit of like steak sauce. Or you can have any sauce that works for you. So, like there's even pomegranate sauce, which I think is really nice when it comes to steak. So this is good, and let me see if we have any other veg. Find the broccoli. We're gonna make some veg with it. So let's go. Okay. So we have some broccoli and some cauliflower, and what other things that I'm gonna get because I really like this. We need some mushrooms, guys. So what I'm gonna do is slightly fry it, like not too much. So we're gonna have two. I really like mushrooms so much. So maybe okay, actually two. I cannot eat so much. So two of this, a little bit of this, and broccoli, and we'll just slightly fry it. Not too much cooked, of course. Okay, so let's get the. We have a little basket. Okay, so we have a little basket. So we're gonna put the vegetables in a little basket. Okay, so we have a little basket. So we're gonna put the vegetables in broccoli, and we'll just slightly fry it. Not too much cooked, of course. Okay, so let's get the. We have a little basket. Okay, so we have a little basket. So we're gonna put the vegetables in here, and of course I will take some of this cauliflower, broccoli, and we'll just slightly fry it. Not too much cooked, of course. Okay, so let's get the. We have our. I feel like cauliflower is like broccoli already. It tastes the same, guys. I don't know about you guys, but oh my goodness. So weird. And of course, I will take some of this cauliflower. I feel like cauliflower is like broccoli already. It tastes the same, guys. I don't know about you guys, but oh my goodness. So we're just gonna take a little piece. Okay, we need a knife. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna chop off, okay, chop off a little bit. So like this. Okay, we need a knife. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna chop off, okay, chop off a little bit. So like this. Okay, we need a knife. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna chop off, okay, chop off a little bit. So like this. Is this correct? Okay, so we're just gonna take this. Oh my god, I'm making such a mess of this. There, just one piece. And the other thing we need is some broccoli. Okay, I'm just gonna take one piece of that. Okay, it's really late right now. It's 11, so I don't think I want to eat something too heavy. And we're guys, why not? So what? You know, we take a mini onion. This is actually fun. I like to experiment with you guys. So let's give this a shot, guys. we might actually come up with an interesting recipe. So here we go. We're gonna cut this. Oh my god, please don't make me cry. Okay, a little bit of onion. So maybe we'll fry this. So just to add some flavor to the veg, if you know what I mean. This is what it looks like, guys. What I got. And what I'm gonna do is I will just take a pan. We're gonna fry this. So we are going to switch this on and let's fry the onions. Like this. Okay, so here we go. This is how, oh god, wrong one. Okay, so we're gonna start putting some of the onions in here like this. So really fast. And some olive oil. I like olive oil, guys. A little bit of olive oil. Okay? And we're gonna fry this. It's on maximum. And let's wash our vegetables. There. This is our vegetables. You can see it. So we're gonna wash this. Okay. This is really good for washing vegetables, guys. You can see you can fill it up and wash the vegetables like this inside it. And you can take it out, throw the water, and rinse it again, just to be safe. Okay, guys. I'll come back once this is cooked. Mushrooms. So we're just like, I'm not gonna use a chopping board because we don't have time, guys. So we're just gonna just make it like thin slices so it can cook quicker. And what I'm gonna do, I'm making something new. Do you know any powders that we can add like to this, Mommy? Mommy, help me. Huh? What about cumin, guys?
Yeah,
Cumin?
nice.
Cumin works with vegetables?
Yeah.
With vegetables, Mommy?
You put everything.
Everything? Really? But I don't think cumin smells like... I swear, okay, I'm gonna add the chicken.
No.
Actually, it smells so good. It smells so good. Trust me, guys. That anything that smells good is a good recipe.
This
Okay.
was chicken.
It's for chicken, I know, but I like chicken, and I know
It's
we're not.
also nice. It's for
No, that's for cats, Mom. Okay, so I think like I don't know much about cooking, but from what I've guessed, anything that smells good can go inside it. So if you smell good, I will cook you. Yeah. We're putting the cauliflower in. Like this is gonna be like a little vegetable mix thingy. I don't know what to describe this, but oh my god, I think we're burning this. Holy moly. Okay. There. It looks good, right? Guys, I'm not very good chef. Okay, you know what? This was a bad idea. Why did we even decide to experiment today? Okay, we let this cook. I'm gonna get that steak now. Should we first cook this and then cook the steak? Do we wash the steak?
Of course.
Oh really? I never washed steak.
Yeah.
Really? I was just throw it in. Okay, so we're gonna wash this. Come, let's go. We're gonna wash it. I feel like you told me to wash it. Guys, it wasn't that hard. Just don't burn yourself. See? It's like simple and you can just cook it. We're gonna leave that to just do its own thing. And now we're cooking the steak with this one. Oh, remember how I cooked the steak, guys? So, okay, Mommy, what do you think is happening here? Yeah. Do you like it? Do you think it's going
Very
good?
nice. Very nice.
Do you see how I cooked the steak, Mommy?
Yeah, very nice. Yeah. No oil?
No. Should I add?
No, it's fine. That's very good cake. Very nice.
Do you want to try?
No,
Why?
because this maybe not cooked. I don't like not cooked food, you know. I want cooked food.
She will try it, guys. She's joking. Okay, so I feel like we can. Here. So we're gonna turn it like that. And I think the water is gone, so we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in there, just so it doesn't burn. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of olive oil. Hold on, we're gonna fix that. Oh my goodness. Maybe not that much olive oil. Oh Jesus. Okay, we're gonna. Okay. I think there is a bit too much olive oil and don't put too much olive oil.
Yeah, really nice.
Okay guys, so
Firefighter coming to me.
yeah, oh shit, this is burning. Wait, let me get the plate ready.
That's really nice.
Okay guys, so
Firefighter coming to me.
yeah, oh shit, this is burning. Wait, let me get the plate ready. Okay, don't. So, guys, let me show you the vegetable. This is how it looks like. There you go. There you go. See, I can be a good chef. Yeah. We're gonna go inside. Come with me. Let's go to the living room. So, you know what? I can't go there. We're gonna eat here. Oh, wow, it's smoking in the kitchen. Did I really set this place on fire? All right, guys. Bon appetit. Let's go. Okay. Would you like to sit? All right, guys. I'm gonna eat and we're gonna go back to work now. Okay. Let's do it.